G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, material's been wetted, and the white that you can see is the reflection of the lights. This first piece is quite undulating. Second piece, brown needs to come off, brown top. Might end up with a reasonable stone there. This piece is quite nice, piece of matrix sort of material. Cut that off there. These pieces are just thrown in. It's not much colour in it. That one's probably got the most. But like I say, I've thrown it in. That's priced on those three pieces. Cheers.